sis, teka, hinaan ko muna ito. I'm already 72 years old. I'm old already. I just doing this for for fun and something to do. I'm retired already, and my husband is 86 years old. So in this age, I'm sure that we can feel a lot of illness. I'm not surprised. So even me, I'm a lot of illness, arthritis, gout, forgetful,